as promised, we're going to talk about the word problems today. Okay? So, write a compound inequality for each problem, graph the solution. So we're writing a compound inequality, and then we're going to graph. Okay. Now here's what we are looking at. To relieve arthritis, Dr. Stoll recommends taking between 400 and 600 milligrams of ibuprofen inclusive. Now, inclusive is a very important word here. It is a form of the word include. Included, okay? And remember when we talked about solving equations and solving inequalities, we talked about open and closed circles, and that's what this has to do with. Remember, if it's open, the answers are not included in the number set, but if they are closed, they are included. So it's open and closed circles. Included means we've got a closed circle, okay? Another important word in here is between. So numbers between 400 and 600, tell me what type of inequality it is. What type is it? Well, if it's between, it's an and, okay? And what we're going to do here is we're going to write our inequality and, okay? Let's do it on the number line here. Put 0 somewhere. You know how I feel about that. 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so where are the numbers between 400 and 600? That's right. And they are closed circles because 400 and 600 are included. Okay? Now, and means I'm going to put my x in the middle, 400 over here, 600 over here, because the lower number always goes to the left. Now, x is greater than or equal to 400 and less than or equal to 600. Okay? Okay. Let's look at our advertisement for a part-time job. Says that the hourly rate is between $6.40 and $9.80 inclusive. So, equal to part. Okay, that gives us closed circles. The other important word here is between. Okay, that's our and, so we know where we're going with that. So, 0 right there. Let's put 6.4 here, 6.4 here, and that was on the third one. Put this one on the fourth one, kind of even it out a little bit. Okay. Again, it's between. Again, it's inclusive. Closed circles. Shading goes where? In between. Okay, so it's between, therefore it's an and it's too crowded up there, so I'm going to do it over here. And, okay, so x is greater than 6.4 and x is less than, almost forgot my equal to part, 9.8. Remember, and in the middle means I can put my variable in the middle. 6.4. X is a little greater than. Okay. And x is less than or equal to 9.8. We always read from the variable, remember. Okay. So, when we look at that and then we look at our homework word problems, okay. Let's switch that paper over. Okay. So the human ear can distinguish sounds between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz in inclusive. Okay? So there's that. And an important word, between. Okay? Number 12. For a man to box as a welterweight, he must weigh more than 140 pounds, more than 140. But at most, I've got a but here, at most 147 pounds. Is this one an and? You're correct. It is not. This one is an or. So what is that going to look like? He has to weigh more than 140 or at most, which means less than or equal to 147. Okay? So as we look at that, we've got 0 over here. And let's say if this is 140, this one is 147. Okay? More than. Does that get the equal to part? I wrote it there, but does it? Is 140 equal to? No, it is not. Okay, so we're taking that off of there. And I hope you caught that. If you did, good job. But at most, so he should weigh 147 at the most. So x is greater than 140. So here we go. Open circle. At most 147, that's a closed circle. It's an or, so they should go separate, right? So greater than oh wait. Less than, wait. So just because it doesn't say between, does it mean it's an or? No, it does not. Very good. This one is also an and. Because greater than, more than 140 goes to the right. At most, so less than or equal to goes to the left. So I want you to pay very close attention to your word problems, because just because it doesn't say the word between does not mean it's not an and. Okay.